ChargePoint has announced the launch of its new Flex Plus charger, designed specifically for European company car fleets. This move addresses a significant challenge in the region, where company cars account for 60% of new car sales, but home charging infrastructure has been a major hurdle. The Flex Plus charger is built on ChargePoint's new AC charging architecture, featuring real-time dynamic load management. This technology allows the charger to automatically accelerate charging speeds when power is not being used elsewhere in the building, ensuring the fastest possible charging without requiring costly electrical service upgrades. Additionally, the charger is compatible with smart home systems, enabling integration with solar power, batteries, and other home energy management components. A key feature of the Flex Plus is its innovative backplate mounting system, which allows drivers to take their charger with them if they move houses. This portability is particularly beneficial for fleet managers, as it reduces costs and ensures continuity by simply popping the charger onto a pre-wired backplate in the new location. The Flex Plus charger is paired with ChargePoint's driver management solution, which provides a seamless experience for both fleet managers and drivers. The solution automates reimbursement for home charging thanks to the charger's built-in meter and connectivity. The software also enables fleet managers to manage critical aspects of home and public charging, including installation, consolidated VAT invoicing for international fleets, and centralized dashboard management. Company car drivers benefit from the ability of the Flex Plus to be installed quickly and professionally at home, eliminating the need for frequent stops at fuel stations during the workday. When drivers need to charge on the road, the driver management solution allows them to find, use, and pay for charging via mobile app or, in some cases, directly from their vehicle's in-dash experience. The ChargePoint Flex Plus is now available for order as part of the driver management solution, with deliveries expected to begin later in the summer. This comprehensive home charging solution is designed to support the growing adoption of electric vehicles in European company car fleets, providing a convenient, efficient, and cost-effective way to manage EV charging. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.